Hey there, cyber warriors! Welcome to Secure CyberMart. Are you ready to kickstart your cybersecurity career with the CompTIA Security Plus 2025 certification? Today, we're answering the big question. Is Security Plus enough to land entry-level cybersecurity roles in 2025? Spoiler alert, it's a game changer! Stick around because we're sharing the ultimate toolkit to ace your exam and boost your career. Let's dive in! If you're new to cybersecurity, CompTIA Security Plus is your ticket to the big leagues. But is it enough to get hired? Let's break it down! CompTIA Security Plus is a vendor-neutral certification that proves you've got the skills to tackle threats, secure networks, and manage risks in cloud and hybrid environments. Last year, over 63,000 job listings called for the CompTIA Security. That's massive demand. From systems administrators to SOC analysts, this certification opens doors to exciting roles where you'll configure firewalls, respond to incidents, and keep networks safe. Why is the CompTIA Security Plus certification so powerful? It covers 6 key domains: threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities, architecture and design, implementation, operations and incident response, governance, risk and compliance, and general security concepts. Stick around to get the toolkit to ace this exam. The SY0701 version of the Security Plus is packed with modern topics like AI-driven threats and IoT security, exactly what employers want in 2025. Now, Security Plus is fantastic, but CompTIA recommends 2 years of IT experience or even Network Plus first. Don't sweat it, though. With the proper prep, you can pass the SY0701 exam and stand out to hiring managers, even as a beginner. And we've got the perfect toolkit to make it happen. Ready to crush the Security Plus exam and launch your career? We've curated the ultimate preparation ecosystem, where every tool works together to build your skills and confidence. Let's check it out! First, the official CompTIA Security Plus study guide. This is your foundation, packed with detailed explanations of every exam objective, from threat detection to cryptography. It's your go-to resource for mastering the theory behind Security Plus. But theory's only half the battle. Pair that with the CompTIA Security Plus SY0701 exam cram. This book distills the study guide into concise, high-yield content for quick review. It's perfect for reinforcing key concepts and memorizing critical details right before the exam. Together, these books are like your personal cybersecurity mentors. Now let's get hands-on with the CompTIA Security Plus Lab Manual. This gem ties the study guide and exam cram together by providing practical exercises that simulate real-world tasks, such as configuring firewalls or analyzing network traffic. It's your bridge from theory to practice, ensuring you're ready for the job. To test your skills, the CompTIA Security Plus practice tests are a must. These exams mimic the real test, helping you gauge your readiness and identify areas for improvement. Use them alongside the study guide and lab manual to fine-tune your knowledge and boost your confidence. But wait, how do you store and manage all these digital resources? That's where the Cushion USB 3.0 flash drives come in. With massive storage, you can keep your study guide PDFs, lab manual files, and practice test software secure and portable. It's the glue that holds your study ecosystem organized. Want to take your labs to the next level? The Network Switch for Home Labs allows you to create a realistic network environment for practicing the skills outlined in the lab manual. Combine it with the Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit, and you've got a mini cybersecurity lab to simulate network security scenarios. These tools bring the lab manual's exercises to life, giving you hands-on experience employers love. Safety first! The anti-static wrist strap protects your Raspberry Pi and other hardware while you're building your lab. It's a small but critical tool that ensures your hands-on practice stays safe and effective, tying your lab setup together. And to keep everything secure, the locking security cabinet is your final piece. Store your Raspberry Pi network switch, USB drives, and study materials safely, so your prep ecosystem stays protected. It's the ultimate way to safeguard your investment in your cybersecurity future. Here's the big picture. Security Plus is sufficient for entry-level cybersecurity roles in 2025, especially when you prep with this interconnected toolkit. The study guide and exam cram build your knowledge, the lab manual and practice tests hone your skills, and the USB drive, network switch, Raspberry Pi, wrist strap, and security cabinet create a hands-on, secure study environment. Together, they make you unstoppable. Want to earn $57,000 as a help desk analyst or up to $91,000 as a security analyst? CompTIA Security Plus can get you there, and our blog at Secure CyberMart has all the affiliate links to these tools. Click now in the description to grab the official study guide, exam cram, lab manual, practice tests, USB drive, network switch, Raspberry Pi kit, anti-static wrist strap, and locking security cabinet. Your cybersecurity career starts here! Some of the links below are Amazon affiliate links. If you click through and make a purchase, Secure CyberMart earns a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps us continue creating free cybersecurity tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cybersecurity tips. Drop a comment. Are you studying for Security Plus or building a home lab? Let us know. Head to Secure CyberMart. Click on the links in the description and start your journey. Stay secure, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, Cyber Champs.